Hey, this is Micah with Gulf and Bay Divers. When we're cleaning a boat, some of the highest growth areas are the swim platform stanchions. Sometimes they're most susceptible to break or bend. If you get a big wake or a big slap and you don't have slots, especially like this swim platform above us, then what can happen is the just tremendous pressure of the wave hitting against this really weakens these stanchions. So we make sure to mention or notice if we see any weakness or cracking. There's some corrosion. This one's not new by any means, and we just want to make sure we keep a good eye on these for you. We're your eyes and ears underneath the boat. Trim tabs. There's not a whole lot of trim tabs designed on modern boats where you have this cavity you can't get into, but when this trim tab is closed up, you can't get in there. Sometimes we'll ask an owner to please drop them before we come for a clean. We also want to make sure to get the swim platform or the trim tab actuator. We want to get that clean on all sides. And we want to make sure we look for a little bit of wear in any of the hardware, especially if the boat like this is a classic sport fish. It's got a few years under, we just want to keep her going as long as it can. But eventually, the metal on the back of this boat will need replacing. It just takes a beating.